Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this video, I'll show you how to log into Spotify on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So we're going to open the Spotify application. I have my application under SEO apps. So I'm going to settings and now go to apps. Under SEO apps, you could find a list of all the applications on this device, not just the ones that are displayed in the library. So I'll click on Spotify now, I'll click on open. So I'm opening the Spotify app, and from here, I'm going to show you step by step how to log into this application on Google TV. So give it a second to load up. When the app is loaded, I'm going to show you the login process. So head over to login. The second option on this list. So you could either sign up for free if you don't have an account already. But if you have an account, that's the essence of this video. We're going to log in.